Today, I'm going to show you how to invest your first $500 and turn it into something much bigger than money. Not fast money, not risky money, but lifetime financial freedom. If you've ever thought $500 is too small to matter, this video might completely change how you see money. If you've got $500 and you want to start investing, this video can save you years of mistakes, stress, and wasted money. No confusing Wall Street language, no daily trading, no gambling, just a clean, simple, proven roadmap, the financial education that school never gave you. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to understand what not to do. Because most people don't fail at investing due to lack of money. They fail because of bad behavior. Mistake 1. Trying to get rich fast. Most beginners don't want freedom. They want results today. So they chase hyped stocks, buy trending coins, follow viral social media tips, and in the process they lose money. Fast money thinking creates slow pain. Real wealth is boring at the beginning, and that's why most people quit. Mistake 2. Daily trading. Let's be very clear. When you open your phone every day trying to flip money, you're not investing, you're gambling. Daily trading creates stress. Stress creates emotion. Emotion creates bad decisions. Long-term investors win because they remove emotion from the process. Mistake 3. Putting all $500 into one stock. This is the classic beginner move. One stock drops, panic kicks in, you sell, you quit. Real investing isn't about one bet. It's about systems that work even when you're not watching. Mistake 4. Waiting for the perfect time. Many beginners do nothing because they're waiting for the market to crash or for the right moment. But the truth is simple. Time in the market beats timing the market. Waiting usually costs more than starting imperfectly. Mistake 5. Copying other people blindly. A friend buys something. A YouTuber recommends something. A headline scares you. So you copy, without understanding. This creates confusion and fear. If you don't understand what you own, you won't hold it when things get uncomfortable. What investing really is. Before we move on, let's clear something up. Investing means owning parts of real businesses and letting them grow over time. You are not predicting prices. You are not guessing tomorrow's market. You are buying ownership. When companies grow profits, expand globally, your ownership grows with them. This mindset shift alone changes everything. Now let's continue. Where your $500 should actually go. Step 1. Most of your $500 should go into a diversified ETF. But what is an ETF? An ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, is a collection of many companies bundled into one investment. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in hundreds at once. For example, inside one ETF, you own small pieces of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, and many others. Some companies will struggle, some will fail, others will grow massively. The ETF balances this, which is why it's ideal for beginners. You're not betting on perfection. You're betting on long-term progress. Step 2. Automate weekly investing. Your first $500 is only the beginning. Wealth doesn't come from one big decision. It comes from repeating small, smart decisions. This is why automation matters. Whether it's $20, $50, or $100 per week, automation removes emotion. You don't rely on motivation. You don't wait for the right mood. Automation builds discipline. Discipline builds wealth. Step 3. Hold long-term and don't touch it. This is where most people fail. Not because they chose wrong, but because they couldn't stay patient. Markets will drop sometimes. Headlines will sound scary, but history tells a clear story. The market has survived. Wars, recessions, inflation, crashes, political chaos. Yet over the long term, it continues to grow. Your job is simple. Invest, hold, repeat. What $500 can become? Let's make this real. If you invest $500 today and add $50 every week with an average 7% yearly return, you reach $10,000 in about 3 years, $25,000 in about 6 years, $50,000 in about 10 years, $100,000 plus in about 15 years, $250,000 plus in about 20 years, and potentially over $500,000 long-term. Not because you were lucky, but because you stayed consistent while others quit. And remember, these numbers assume you're only adding $50 per week. If you increase that to $100, $200, or more as your income grows, you don't just reach these milestones, you reach them much faster. The amount matters, but consistency matters more. Let me give you real proof. Ronald Red was a janitor and gas station worker from Vermont. No high salary, no fancy lifestyle, no special financial education. But he did one thing right. He invested small amounts consistently into solid companies and held them for decades. When he passed away in 2014, his net worth shocked everyone, over $8 million. This story was reported by the New York Times, Forbes, and confirmed through public records. Not because he was born rich, not because he traded daily, not because he chased trends, but because he understood patience. This is how lifetime financial freedom actually begins. Your first $500 won't change your life overnight, but it can change the direction of your life forever. This is how real wealth is built, patiently, consistently, and quietly. So here's the real question. How far do you want to take this journey?